Hello dear students of 8th grade. Today I'll go through the preparatory assignment. This assignment is about the chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is disaster management. So firstly we will go through the back exercise, fill in the blanks. First one is dash that are beyond human control are called disasters. Fill ups में आएगा hazards. Second is safety measures that include any physical constructions or applications of engineering technology to reduce the impact of catastrophe are called dash measures, structural measures. Third one is safety measures that include knowledge and practice that can be applied to mitigate the risks of disasters are called dash measures. फिल में आएगा नॉन स्ट्रक्चरल. Fourth one is dash occur when water in rivers overflow beyond their banks, that is floods. Next one is dash refer to an extended period of reduced or no rainfall, that is drought. Again second part is match the following. First one is preparation, developing emergency plans to be followed. Recovery है rebuilding destroyed property. Next is mitigations, preventing hazards from developing into disasters. Fourth one is response, locating necessary emergency services and first responders. आगे हमारा आ जाता है C part, that is about the true and false. First one is you can walk or swim through flowing water, that is a false. Second one is people should not panic during the disaster, true. Third one is you should place heavy and breakable objects in closed cabinets near the ground before an earthquake occur, that is a true. Fourth is it is safe to use the elevator to evacuate from the building in case of a fire, that is a false. Fifth one is you should get away from low-lying coastal areas in the events of a cyclone, that is a true. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है हमारा डी सेक्शन, आंसर इन 1 or 2 sentences, लिस्ट द 4 stages of disasters management, that is preparation, response, recovery and mitigation. Next is the question number, what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is the technique of collection and storage of rainwater into natural reservoir or tanks, or the infiltrations of surface water into subsurface aquifer. Next question is what should you do if you are outdoor during an earthquake? ठीक है, अर्थक्वेक के जब होता है, अब अगर आप आउटडोर हो तो आप क्या करोगे? मूव अवे फ्रॉम बिल्डिंग, स्ट्रीट लाइट्स एंड यूटिलिटी वायर्स. Second one is once in the open, stay there until the shaking stops. Next question is name some social organization. Number 1 is International Associations of Emergency Manager. Second one is non-governmental organizations, NGOs. Third one is National Red Cross, Red Crescent Societies. फिफ्थ इज अबाउट लिस्ट 2 ways to conserve water. कौन से 2 ways हैं to conserve water? फर्स्ट वन इज फिक्स लीकिंग टैप्स, buckets and tanks. Second is turn off water taps when not in use during bathing, brushing, etc. Do part A, B, C or do answer. Next come with the answer in a paragraph or 2. Explain the safety measures that should be followed to prevent fire. First one is keep the telephone number of the nearest fire stations handy. Be aware of safety rules. Do not use several devices in one socket. Learn to operate fire extinguishers. Do not allow anyone to smoke inside the house. Keep inflammable products away from children. Next, explain the role of people in disaster management. लोगों का क्या रोल डिजास्टर के ड्यूरिंग क्या होता है, क्या होना चाहिए? We should follow instructions and be aware of the information that the government provides through awareness campaigns. We should pay attention to emergency warnings. School authorities and parents should prepare children to survive in catastrophe by practicing mock drill against disasters. So these things can be aware people about the disasters. What is the role of government in disaster management? The role of government in mitigating disasters are fund allocation. Government should have separate departments to handle disasters. Funds should be allotted for disasters management and relief. Second one is building codes and land use management. Building used should be set and strictly followed. It is also important to check how people are using their lands. Third one is inspection. There should be inspection on every construction to check if the building and fire norms are properly followed. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है व्हाट सेफ्टी मेजर्स शुड बी टेकन ड्यूरिंग द साइक्लोन. साइक्लोन के दौरान अगर कोई इमरजेंसी आ जाती है तो कौन सी सेफ्टी जो है हम कर सकते हैं. सेफ्टी मेजर्स दैट शुड बी टेकन ड्यूरिंग द साइक्लोन्स आर टर्न ऑफ ऑल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, गैस एंड वाटर, अनप्लग ऑल एप्लियंसेस, keep your emergency kit close at hand, bring your family into the strongest part of the house. Fourth one, keep listening to the radio for cyclone updates. Fifth one, comfort children. Next question is, what precautions will you take during the drought? First one is conserving water, fix leaking taps, buckets and tanks, recycle and reuse water. Used water from kitchens can be used to water plants. Gathering water, stock up extra bottles of drinking water. There should be enough stock to last the household for at least a week. Third one is protecting water from pollution. It is important to keep the local water bodies like lakes, ponds, streams, etc. clean so that this water can be used during emergency. Fourth one is spreading awareness. Participate in programs and projects on water conservation. Educate people about the need for water conservation. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ द चैप्टर अबाउट द डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट. जो पहले हमारा चैप्टर था फिफ्थ, उसमें हमने डिज़ास्टर्स के बारे में पढ़ा था, और इस चैप्टर में हमने पढ़ा है कि डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट कैसे होती है, कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो उसको कैसे, उसकी जो प्रिकॉशंस रखी जाती है, कैसे अवेयर किया जाता है पीपल को. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दिस चैप्टर एंड गुड लक फॉर योर एग्जाम. थैंक यू.